A major development tonight in the Chandra Levy murder case. The conviction is now overturned for the man who spent years in prison for her murder.
The U.S. Attorney's Office will not retry Ingmar Guandique, and he will be released from prison. She disappeared back in 2001 while interning in Washington, D.C., and her remains were discovered about a year later. Guandique was tried and convicted in 2010, but granted a new trial last year.
Let's get more on this now. CBS 13's Macy Jenkins with more on the case and the prosecutor's decision, Macy.
Well, Tony and Adrian, the U.S. Attorney's Office says it got new information in the past week. That is why this new trial will not happen. But they haven't given any details about that new information. Now, Chandra Levy's mother got the news this morning.
I have to say I'm in a state of shock, totally in a state of shock.
Susan Levy reacting to the news that the case against Ingmar Guandique is now dismissed.
It's kind of like puts you back to the level of grief that you originally have.
The remains of her 24-year-old daughter Chandra Levy discovered in 2002. Guandique was found guilty of her murder in 2010 and sentenced to 60 years in prison. Last year he was granted a retrial, but today the U.S. Attorney's Office in Washington, D.C. says that trial will not happen.
It's possible they've got DNA evidence that could exonerate the current person or maybe implicate somebody new.
Jeff Harp worked at the FBI during the time of the D.C. investigation. He says if the evidence is DNA, it's more than reliable, even after all this time.
It's not going to go away. So if it's DNA evidence they have, that was good the day they got it up until the day they have it now.
But the U.S. Attorney's Office has not given details about the evidence. They released a statement saying, quote, in the interest of justice and based on recent unforeseen developments, the office has concluded that it can no longer prove the murder case against Mr. Guandique beyond a reasonable doubt. And while it's been 15 years since her daughter's death, Susan says this news is still hard to swallow.
Technically, it was a technical issue, and I am feeling pretty shocky right now. Physically, emotionally, not doing very well.
Guandique was previously convicted of assaulting two joggers in the same park where Levy's remains were found. Now, pending action by the court, Guandique will be released to the custody of the U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, where he faces removal proceedings.
All right, Macy Jenkins reporting live for us tonight. Thanks so much. And Chandra Levy was romantically linked to then-Congressman Gary Condit. He was ruled out as a suspect and was never charged in the case. His attorney released a statement today on Condit's behalf. It reads in part, quote, the failure of authorities to bring formal closure to this tragedy after 15 years is very disappointing, but in no way alters the fact that Mr. Condit was long ago completely exonerated by authorities in connection with Miss Levy's death.